Welcome to Product Critique, where we review the best products for you. Today, we're talking about the best Clorox Mist Disinfecting Spray, the Clorox Free and Clear Disinfecting Mist Refill. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, family-friendly disinfectant that's tough on germs but gentle on your home, this might be just what you need. The Clorox Free and Clear Disinfecting Mist is perfect for those who want a product that can tackle daily cleaning and sanitizing needs without the harsh chemicals or overwhelming fragrances. It's bleach-free and formulated with citric acid, a plant-based ingredient, so you can feel good about using it around your family and pets. Whether you're cleaning kitchen counters, baby toys, or pet beds, this spray gets the job done without leaving behind any harmful residues. One of the standout features of this disinfecting mist is its continuous spray nozzle. It's ergonomically designed, allowing you to cover large areas quickly and efficiently with a fine mist that ensures even coverage. It makes cleaning not only more effective but also convenient. No need for rinsing either, making it a real-time saver for busy households. This disinfectant kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, including harmful ones like Salmonella, E. coli, and even the COVID-19 virus. It also removes up to 99% of pet dander and dust mite particles, making it a great option for homes with pets or allergy sufferers. The fact that it's fragrance-free is another bonus, especially for those who prefer a neutral scent or have sensitivities to strong fragrances. Another reason to love this Clorox Mist is its versatility. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, from hard kitchen counters and bathroom tiles to soft fabrics like rugs and stuffed animals. It's also safe for food contact surfaces when used as directed, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants a cleaner environment in their home without the worry of harmful chemicals. So if you're looking for a disinfectant that's effective, safe, and easy to use, Clorox Free and Clear Disinfecting Mist is a great choice. It's a product that checks all the boxes: efficiency, safety, and convenience. Keep your home clean, fresh, and germ-free with minimal effort. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.